In this video, we'll show you how to change the hood lift supports on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For more security, we advise changing both hood lift supports. To ensure that the hood stays open, use a large enough prop so that the hood lift supports are fully extended. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, lift the clip at the bottom of the hood lift support that holds the hood lift support in the notch. Remove the retaining clip. Then, move the hood lift support aside.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Repeat this step at the top. Then, take out the hood lift support. You can order the hood lift supports used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take your hood lift support. Be careful to position it the right way up. Insert the hood lift support at the top. Repeat this step on the lower part of the hood lift support. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.